Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my beach waves. I braided my hair, so I washed and blow dried my hair, and then I braided it. As you can see, the bottom half is a little bit more wavy, but up here, it's pretty straight. And so at first I'm going to use this is the Hot Toddy. It's a heat protecting mist. It smells so good, you guys. I really like it. So I'm just going to like spray it all over. Like that. Oh my gosh, it's very strong. Just like that. And kind of brush it through. And then I'm going to take you guys actually to my bathroom where I can actually show you. Okay, so this is my, it's a Revlon. I'll just link it on Amazon. But this is what I do. I really like this one. So I'll get kind of like a section of my hair like that. And then just go like that. And then do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'll open it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. And then I'm just gonna kind of repeat it all over. So, as you kind of see. So I'll show you the end in just a second. So this is the after. You can leave it as it is if your hair doesn't take like a wave or a curl too well. I would definitely recommend like spritzing some hairspray. This is one that I use. I really like it. But I've recently started, I saw like the TikTok girlies, to use a texture spray. This is the Living Proof. I wrote about it on my blog. I've been using this. So like I said, it's done. You can leave it as it is, or you can give it a little bit of like volume and just kind of spray that, and then just kind of give yourself like a, I'm still learning how to do this, you guys, but I don't know, kind of give it a little bit of volume and then without the frizz. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day.